When you be about Bontia, almost say Chairman Aseidu Nketia or pursue you soon adjoin and they are exposing him. Now NDC for no about Bontia Ababe Casano. It looks like Omo Chief of Staff Julius Debrah ne camp. Yes, Ras Mubarak as your ordinary to form and I want to say Chairman Aseidu Nketia the be a man for Takase on the general of Ghana politics. Neniate and or pursue dear Nitie. Enitie sa na NDC party no okonka enti omokoda sorry ya Chairman Aseidu Nketia say oba be thank you to sa said no and Ras Mubarak say
there's fire on the mountain. Yes, fire is on the mountain. Ebuboba. Me see what is happening in NDC you know ebusia aye papa you won't know. And yet to say, Debrah mosquito, Aseidu Nketia say, or yet thank you to. And the camp of Julius Debrah, so the fire say, I didn't unye candidate, unye president, and to say thank you to no idea then. Honor. Aseidu Nketia for no so be kasaye see say wo Julius Debrah no kakra na wo see wo ye health work see kakra na wo see wo ye health work see na wo so ni adwin bone a anka se wo so ye unye sa de no nti yesu ya start here ni abusia we were old user it's some wo mu no my ko na ko Debrah na eja
when you be about Bontia, almost say Chairman Aseidu Nketia or pursue you soon adjoin and they are exposing him. Now NDC for no about Bontia Ababe Casano. It looks like Omo Chief of Staff Julius Debrah ne camp. Yes, Ras Mubarak as your ordinary to form and I want to say Chairman Aseidu Nketia the be a man for Takase on the general of Ghana politics. Neniate and or pursue dear Enitie sa na NDC party no okonka enti omokoda sorry ya Chairman Aseidu Nketia say oba be thank you to sa said no and Ras Mubarak say onyanti bi da NDC say ato abawie na presidents and then a parliamentary candidates wo ho na party chairman say okwa thank you to now so Aseidu Nketia nkrofo no say omohwese ne Julius Debrah Ashase eye health work adechia health work pe ono so obitimi dia exhibit ni ambition ni vision say debi say NDC delegates no ekoto aba omobeto ama no na waye omo preferred presidential candidate for the upcoming 2028 elections and it is very interesting MPP for they are battling Baumia and Kennedy Japan NDC they are battling Julius Debrah and Chairman Aseidu Nketia ene Aseidu Nketia shase thank you to no Eastern region no koi chese baby Julius Debrah free no ho ena Aseidu Nketia akwa storm ho ena ose oye thank you to Chairman General na nsema odi tu dwa no pese ikuti ebi kakra bi ye wia na ye ba behwe de Ras Mubarak come
Yes, I said, I can't cry a for victory celebration here. The independent and the hope, if you said, contemporary resource to teach a number. Maybe you said that we prepare 119 parliamentary seats. And now, and before, and for far, contract with the electoral commission and said, I don't think it's actually now, among folks who say, you better to he said, you before you go in. Now, fair guys, now about the member, as it was said, who can't say you will be a member, na me say we corporate as a see about near better was fix labor and also say chairman will be a movie that we have to fix it. That let's fix it. I hear we are on the fourth report. But I am not a mayor. I am not a mayor. It is a month for as I said, I'm so bad. Now we better go to my bathroom. Now we must say a branch here.
Aseidu Nketia say MPP for abro mo win no they forgot about omo to abamo omo no omo ankodo omo ase and nti omo NDC for no it looks like the president na why busy ontini ma and ono party chairman no e na ogina mu adase nanso NDC for no bi say omo e politics na che and omo nim say chairman Aseidu Nketia wa soro papa ne ho aho man na smart and nti sa move na wa peke no asa enye kwa akwa ni ambition so be president no and on a grassroots no e di ho nkomo low keys no and into Julius Debrah at the Jubilee House na ni beba no ho so no na chairman na ye na chi from na enonti nipa bebre e na aba abonten aba say thank you tours are led by candidates, presidential or parliamentary candidates. If it's a constituency tour, who lead the party into an election in partnership with party executives. Was it thank you tour no? Nipa na will lead the party into an election no? In partnership with the party executives and omoko thank you tour. Never throughout NDC's history has a national chairman after an NDC victory decided he is going on a thank you tour aside what the flag bearer in collaboration with the party has done or is doing. This is a dangerous precedent and an unnecessary distraction to the government. Nobody must be allowed to hide under a thank you tour to advance their premature presidential ambitions. It's intolerable and the chairman must be bluntly told.
Aseidu Nketia start flag bearer campaign. Oh. Na dabo no kada kan. Also look thank you tour. Okay, doc, you well, doc, but it's not very dicey. It could be there. Okay, it's a genuine reason, sir. Also, Kwakadasi. Because, doc, yana man paying on one kada party fasi. Yana man paying listen, or kada gana fing in a rasi.
Including the party people when he oh, that kind of person, party for no, let's put it in context. Party for no one of us, I'm gonna for or the different breed of people.
Anyway, it's dog. Johnson mosquito see. Ofin the wuki. Zikesi fidol be oida or yazoro in series. Watch it chip. If fan ozikanan or a Eastern region.
Yes.
And so no ofi in the Zikesi Friday Yoruba. In the 17th to 19th also roko. Na party executives grassroots na cadres for nonye obiara our NDC amayokunu mo obo wan mo onyetuman wa kwakada wana so say isubama nkabom na kroye abaku no nsena drop iye na first leg and orisha send the Zikesi Fidorube with Eastern region also look 16 constituencies na timbening in arasi but then nkratene mo binom say wa conclude was your agenda setting doc menye mozi.
Yeah, but why won't they conclude? It's obvious now.
General mosquito.
Yes, because people read meanings into their way be ango for try say omo ebehu the enja oyes and I'm a yes. So I think recently na president concluded the thank you tour.
Yes.
Na sa thank you tour no. Okoda Ghana for us or the party for us and I mean there was not like oh where the Ghana for if we are near Sanko but now so we also be other party as here chairman also got us. I think that the president must do that. So because clearly the newspapers they are not wrong when they report say was starting in the flag bearership
agenda.
Yes because I don't see why president Nevi then all of a sudden also now PK I of course my teacher say Aseidu Nketia opese or contest or say presidential ambition. But politician be that is the ultimate goal and I'm say obabe or free your friends assembly man or rising unit committee no rising all the way MP or minister, then ultimately
president.
Yeah, that is the yes. And in fact, you can't stop somebody's ambitions. There's no way you can stop somebody's ambition. But you see, I think it is too early.
8 months into your government.
Yeah, it's too early for that. The NDC government, Ghana for more emphatic, victory mandate to execute that mandate within 4 years. Virtually now, 1 year is almost gone.
Yes.
And as to whether I say Ghana for Butuu aba ABM ama NDC depends upon the performance of the current government. True or false? True. I mean, absolutely. I mean, Opa, support the government to execute the agenda.
Obakado on your full member of the government. He's only
no, but PK
party executive.
No, well yes sir. Omo party no more. Omo ye ministers ni ade omo ye interested. They also begin to and yes I say start to see a lobby. At the end of the day, the focus will not be on development. The focus will be on lobbying to become presidential. And in fact, it's going to affect the party. Because I believe they must tread cautiously with this particular issue. Of course,
yes.
And because of that, or contest as far as but you must make sure you don't do it in a way that will affect the unity of the party. I think it is too early. On kakra. Now, party and put him almost such as they've not even put it in place. They are just 9 months, old in government.
Yes.
And to be a fabwa, a buy on to me establish it, don't to me executing the mandate. Look, to me executing mandate in here, as I said. Any candidate be on the baby or a probable, president. But one is now we the next minimum other ones who are interested. I'm sure chief of staff. They also start. One is going to affect the president, his ability to deliver. And I believe it's too early. Of course, they are saying, oh, it's just thank you to, but I know you and I know. I mean the reason the entire is not because one person. I mean it's politics. But I think PK also turn a book 9 months into a new government is too early for that. As to whether Slovenia, because now as Slovenia or Ghana for better man, it's another matter altogether. You see, when we get to that bridge, I believe we will cross. But I think so what's our ambition now? And I think what man will be able to what's our ambition. On trying to crack. I buy on to me and to turn your man. And so what shall I say? Maybe next ending of next year or maybe early 2027. What's that here? It's not bad at all. But what's starting one year it could be counterproductive. Go for because of open power, and the one when you go and they will not even vote for you. And I think